Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So basically this is going to be a wig review, of course. So let's get straight into it. This is the wig that I received. The company is by the name of Wigs. Okay, so let's just open it up and see. It comes in this nice little box. Okay, it also has their information on here. I really like that. Some companies don't have that, and I don't be knowing how to get in contact with them or anything. So it has all information if you have any questions or concerns. So I'm just gonna open it up, and so it looks like this. Okay, so this is the wig, and let's see what else is in here. This is a discount coupons and also coupon policy. Okay, so that's all that's in the bag. So let's open up this wig. Okay, so it comes in this protective bag, which is great. It's not just thrown in the box, so it comes in the bag. Okay, take it out the bag, and it also comes. Cut on my fingernail. It also comes in a net. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Also, so let's take the net off. Ooh, this is really, really pretty. Okay, it's got that nice, real bumped look. I don't think anyone really wears their hair bumped like that anymore. But anyways, it has that bump look. So that's what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to, it comes with a little tissue in the front. So in the middle, I'm just going to remove it. That's what the cap looks like, and I'm going to turn it inside out so you all can see the actual cap construction. Okay, so this is what the cap construction looks like. Really nice, super neat. Okay, so that's what she looks like. Two combs here. Okay, comb here, comb there, and it's a comb right here. I don't always use this comb. I normally will take it out because sometimes it can make your wigs a little bit bulky, but I'll normally take that comb out and I'll like add another comb at the bottom or something if I want to. So anyway, that's what the cap construction looks like. So this is the top of the wig. So this is just like a frontal unit, a lot of parting space right there, as you all can see. So let's look at the front of the wig. Okay, so this is the front of the wig. The wig is pre-plucked to perfection. I really like that. The wigs that I've been receiving lately have been pre-plucked, and I like that. It just makes the job so much easier, y'all. Now, sometimes you do have to kind of go in and pluck a little bit more to your hairline, but y'all, other than that, I mean, I'm just glad that it's a start. They started out for you. Like, look at that. Okay, so you don't have much to do. It already has baby hairs. I like that also. You don't have to start from scratch. It's not coming with a straight across hairline, okay? So for the people who don't necessarily know how to customize, or you're scared about customization, this just comes a lot easier, okay? All right, so I am back, and I'm just gonna put the wig on. All right. It also has adjustable straps. I don't know if I mentioned that, but you can definitely adjust it the bottom too. All right, so look at that hairline. Like, that hairline looks really good. You don't always get a hairline like that. That looks super good. Okay, so I'm not sure what size cap I have. I will see for y'all, but whatever size I have, like, I wish that it was a bit bigger, but it's okay. I have a lot of hair, so that I have to get my wigs a little bit bigger. Okay, so I'm kind of trying to work with this wig. I just plugged up like some hot tools so I can kind of manipulate it. As y'all can see, the back is short and the sides are long. I don't know, I guess they were trying to maybe do like a swing bob type look or whatever, but I definitely don't like that. I don't like that it's not all one cut and that it's super bumped like this. This is not cute. So I'm gonna try to work with it and see what I could come up with, okay? And I'll be back. Okay, so hey guys, I wasn't going to like dye the unit, but I already bought the dye, and then plus I just kind of want to lighten it up a little bit or add a few highlights. So I picked this up at Walmart, okay? And we're just going to see, you know, if it'll do anything to the hair and all that kind of stuff like that. And then plus I already wanted to wash the hair anyway to kind of get that bump out of the hair. So we will see. I'm gonna add these and then I'll be back. Okay, so I'm done putting the box dye on it, and this is the box dye. Okay, so I'm gonna just let this chill out and then see what color we get. I'm not a professional colorist, so yeah, probably looks crazy, but I'm just gonna let it chill for 30 minutes like the box says, and then we'll come back and look at the color. Okay, hey y'all, so I did like dye this hair. It was already dyed, as y'all can see in the first clips, but I went in with a box dye over it because I kind of wanted to, like, I guess, tone it a little bit. So this is what it turned out to be. It was a little bit more orange at first. So this is the color. I like it. I think it looks fine, something a little different. So this is what box dye I used. Okay, so this is what box dye I used right here. Now, a few things before we get into styling this wig. Okay, so I had quite a bit of shedding, but it was kind of as expected because the wig was already processed. It was already bleached, and I went in and put bleach, kind of like, this has like bleach in it, so I went in and put bleach over it. So maybe that's why I experienced quite a bit of shedding. So yeah, you are gonna get quite a bit of shedding. This wig is not that thick, as y'all can see. So yeah, but it's like a bob, so so it's not like incredibly thick. Another thing that's an extreme con with this hair is that it's all different lengths, and I'm not sure why. Okay, so as you can see, this part is long, the back is super short, and some pieces that are long, and then if I lift this piece up, the back is like real, like the back is like this short. Okay, so it's real choppy, and I'm not understanding why. I don't know what kind of style they were trying to do, but it's super choppy. So I'm gonna have to go in and kind of clean up the cut, and then we'll see what we have after I clean the cut. Now, what I do love, some of the things I do like, is these dark roots. I think it helps the wig to look a lot more natural, so I love that. I just can't get with this cut. Like, I don't know, I don't understand what the motive was with the cut, but yeah, we'll see what we come out with. I'm not sure how I'm gonna style it yet, but we'll definitely see. Okay, as you all can see right here, the lace is really tough, so I had to go in and like part it in another space because I put a hole in it. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am just here to do like a wrap-up review of this hair. In the previous clips, you all have already seen me dyeing the hair, styling the hair, working with the hair, etc, etc. Okay, so this company is Wigs. Okay, so this is what the packaging looks like. I've already shown the packaging in the previous clip, but this is what it looks like. Okay, so let's just get straight into it. Okay, so I do have some notes on my phone so I won't forget anything. Let's start off with like the color. So the color that it came, you all already seen. It was like this, I feel like it was kind of a brassy blondie type color, so I kind of wanted to tone it. So this is what I got after I kind of toned it, and this is what I used. Okay, so I used this, and this worked really well. I would say it gave me like some, it's not coming up on camera, but it kind of gave me, at first the hair was looking kind of pinkish when I first washed it, like, but you can barely see now. But that brassy orangey look is gone. But the color was just personal preference. If you like that kind of brassy tone look, then you know, that's fine, you could have kept it. But I just want to do something a little different. Okay, and I cut the hair. Also, I cut it to my liking. Y'all, look, I'm not really sure what kind of style they were planning on doing or what it was, but it was like flipped under real tight. I have pictures of that in the video. It was flipped under real tight, and it was all choppy. Like, even when I washed the hair, the back was short and some of the sides were long. It was like stair step. So I'm not really sure exactly what style they were trying to go for. Maybe a swing bob. That's what I'm thinking. Maybe they were trying to do like a swing bob effect, like short in the back and then long on the sides, I'm thinking. So I kind of kept that same kind of cut a little bit. I just cleaned it up. It's shorter in the back, and on the sides it comes like this, like in that little asymmetrical like look, kind of like that. Okay, so I did like that. So that's one thing I didn't really like. I didn't like the cut because I didn't get what direction they were trying to go with it. I didn't understand. So yeah, I definitely had to try to clean that up. Now with the lace, I would say that this lace kind of resembles hard lace. If you all guys know what I'm talking about, if you work with wigs a lot, then you know hard lace and soft lace. Okay, so hard lace, and this is not like a synthetic wig or anything, this is 100% virgin hair, but with a hard lace comes on a lot of like synthetic wigs and stuff. So I feel like this lace is kind of like hard lace. That's what it felt like. And the lace isn't that strong because as I was like plucking and pulling the hair, trying to like widen my part, I did kind of put a hole in the lace. I put like a couple holes in the lace trying to widen my part. So the lace is not that strong. Be really careful if you get this and you try to customize your lace or customize the parts, such as plucking and things like that, because it will rip really easily. Be careful with your hot tools also, because you can burn through the lace. Like, the lace is very fragile. Soft lace doesn't really do that to me. I'm not sure why hard lace does that. On every wig, I normally, like, instead of using tweezers, I like pull the hairs out, because I feel like with tweezers cause the holes more than like using like the little pull method I do. But I had to kind of go in with tweezers and try to do it, but it was still hard. Okay, it was really hard to get the hairs out of here. It was hard to pluck it. So that was one thing. It did come pre-plucked though, not my part that I wanted, but the hairline came pre-plucked. That is a pro, because you don't have a lot to like do. It's kind of done for you. Okay, so it came pre-plucked. I just kind of laid some baby hairs, and that's pretty much it. But it came with it pre-plucked and baby hairs already. So this hair was pretty much ready out the bag. I didn't have to do too much plucking around the hairline. It was just, I just had to do a lot of plucking on my part, just a little bit around the hairline to kind of fit, like to kind of shape my head basically. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I did get, to wrap everything up, I did get quite a bit of shedding, but like I said, I really do think that was because of the hair was already processed and I kind of processed it again. I think that's why I got a little bit of shedding, and yeah, so I think that's what it was. The hair looks good. I was saying that it wasn't that thick, but I actually like the density. I don't think the density looks bad, especially for the bob type look. Okay, when you get a bob, you don't want the hair to be too thick, because it's not gonna lay right, and this is just the perfect amount of thickness for the hair. After I just worked with it and shaped it up a little bit and kind of like blow dried it, flat iron and everything like that, it was great. The hair flat ironed wonderfully. I didn't have any problems with it. It didn't like burn off or, you know, do any kind of crazy stuff like that. You know, the hair didn't have a crazy smell straight out the bag or anything. Everything was pretty much good. It was overall easy to style. I'm looking at my notes. It was overall easy to style. It really was. Like, you could take this hair out this wig out the box, and you could honestly just put it on and cut your baby hairs. That's how it came, so nicely plucked. That's one thing I like about it. I just didn't like the choppiness of the cut. Okay, and I'm not saying every wig's gonna be like this, because they don't just sell bob wigs, but I don't like the choppiness of the cut, and I don't really like how fragile the lace is. I really don't like that. So you have to kind of be like a baby when you're handling the lace. But other than that, I mean, it's pretty cool. I mean, I like the hair. I think it's nice. It's nice. It's soft. It went through the bleaching process again, and it held up. I had a little, like I said, a little bit of shedding, but it wasn't anything excessive. So yeah, went through the bleaching process, went through the hot tools and all that stuff like that, and it was great. So anyways, y'all, that is pretty much it. I think I covered all bases. Not really sure what cap size I got. I think it's a medium. I would try to list it down below if I remember, but yeah, I think it's a medium cap size. It fits fine. I wish it would have been a little bit bigger, but it's fine. It's fine. It's snug, and it's pretty much good. That's it. I'll leave the links down below. Any questions, comments, concerns, please leave them down below, and I will be sure to get back with you. And yeah, I'll see y'all in my next one.